Look here, witch. Ever notice people test your patience, but you can turn every ridiculous comment into a spell of protection? Today, sarcasm is your wand, your shield, and your chaotic superpower. Wow, guys, that was rude. Probably the quickest I ever transported. Got my stuff there. Welcome back to Daily Chaos, where sarcasm is magic and wit is unbreakable. Today's episode, sharpening sarcasm as a protective spell. Because life's nonsense doesn't stand a chance against unhinged humor. Sarcasm is energy management. Someone insults you, turn it into a joke. Someone tries to drain you, side-eye plus comment equals shield. Someone takes themselves too seriously, laugh at them first. It's defense, it's offense, it's art. Spell 1, the verbal mirror. Repeat absurdity with a smirk. They see their nonsense reflected. Spell 2, the witty pause. Let them flounder while you sip imaginary potion. Spell 3, the exaggerated agreement. Yes, I completely agree with your nonsense. Side-eye optional. Spell 4, the laughing hex. A small unhinged laugh while they speak. Energy shift instant. Spell 5, the exit charm. Fascinating. I'll think about that while I sip my chaos elixir. You mean to tell me people still don't get it when sarcasm is your energy shield? Honey, we're sharpening it today, and we're going full chaotic. Sarcasm is your armor. Humor is your wand. Your side-eye is your familiar. You do not need permission to protect your energy. You do not need permission to laugh at absurdity. Say this out loud. My wit protects me. Again, my sarcasm is my magic. Feel that? You just cast the shield. Every sarcastic comment is a tiny spell. Energy preserved. Chaos diffused. Hilarity amplified. Laugh, smirk, side-eye. Your magic is unbreakable. Today's assignment, identify one annoying interaction. Respond with sarcasm as your spell. Observe energy shift. Laugh hysterically, internally or externally. Practice these. The slow side-eye of I see your nonsense. The over-exaggerated laugh of yes, that's hilarious in a tragic way. The calm exit while maintaining perfect composure. Your aura equals untouchable. Your energy equals protected. All right, messy besties, if you've made it all the way here, gosh, I love you. Stay strong, stay messy, but don't forget your magic. I may be the witch, but you really are truly the magic. If you need to summon me before tomorrow, you can find me on Facebook at the Carnivore Witch Drea. And if you subscribed and rang the bell, then you will be the one being summoned as soon as I upload another video, go live, or post a comment in the community here. Thank you for showing up today. Feel free to share this video with a friend or loved being who might need a chaotic sarcasm shield today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I made it just for you, my friend, and hopefully you have given it a like, because your like is your applause, and your applause is a lantern set along the path of the algorithm, guiding this message forward to someone who needs unhinged humor as protection. If you made it this far, post the word shielded down in the comments. And as always, I love you, messy bestie. Gosh, I love you. If no one told you today they love you, then no, I told you first. Your sarcasm is magical, unhinged, and untouchable. I'll see you tomorrow, bestie. Mwah.